Alright guys, so in this video I'll show you how to connect your Vizio TV to your Android phone. Just open up the Vizio Smartcast application on your Android or iOS device. Okay, if you don't have this, just go ahead and download this from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. And then what you need to do is you need to tap on the device drop down. Just tap on this right here. And then you need to just choose a device you want to control. You should see your Vizio TV listed right here. And then the app will basically prompt you to pair. All you need to do is come here, click on pair, and then just go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions. And the phone or tablet will pair with a Vizio device. And if the pairing actually fails, you can just go ahead and retry the Bluetooth pairing again. And if the Bluetooth pairing fails a second time or your device is not capable of Bluetooth pairing, you can just go ahead and click on this option that says connect via Wi-Fi option, follow the on-screen steps. It's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.